Okay.
I actually bought them from YY Card World.
A freaking case full of these. Oh yeah, Homer bought a freaking a legendary. Let's see what he's got.
We should be like, we're opening all the...
Yeah, right. That's like 10 of them right there.
Consumers.
Hey, or maybe if Homer would have bought them all.
You should have. You might as well have.
No, just
There you go. Merry Christmas.
Oh, shit. Yeah, my favorite cardboard.
Mama taught me how to eat.
Dang, so there's packs. That's cool.
Here's a pillow for you.
Oh, dude.
Oh, I thought that was
you don't even
fucking
know.
Lila.
I'm about to
I was
cushion
about
up my
just go for the
seat.
packs.
No, go for the promos.
Go for the pack. Everyone knows what the promo. It's on the back of the cardboard.
Oh my god.
Okay, those are the promos, so don't ask, bitches.
What?
It's like, those are the promos.
Oh yeah, that's too shiny.
3 Dark Lords?
I know, right?
I'm gonna run the dark one. Cool.
What comes in that one?
You still have that Zerato, don't you?
Yeah. I like how he's just opening my cards over there.
Still debating against
Oh, I
it?
need quarter.
I'm still debating, yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Go, guys,
Something
go.
good comes out of it.
Oh.
Remember, it goes common,
Common,
rare.
and rares.
Ultra. Oh damn! I didn't know that was a secret.
Oh, wow,
Secret
that's
alias.
beautiful. Yeah, check that out.
And super what?
Woodsman.
Woodsman?
Woodsman? That's pretty cool.
Alright, next.
That's
Oh,
pretty
Clock
good.
Tower Pro.
That's pretty good already.
Yeah, seriously, that was really
my-
cool.
The fucking Miracle Team?
Oh, and
Oh,
you're
already
gonna
ultra. That's pro.
Secret Geos? That was
That was
sick,
sick.
too.
Oh, these were the promos. Okay.
I want the alias now.
Where are the cards at? Let me see.
I want both of
Oh
them.
crap, Dragoon type.
Made Annabelle Day over there.
Guys, I need these.
What is that?
Dragoon
Alright.
type. I need Courts of Justice.
Oh, I'm too shiny. There we go. What is it? Oh, that's White Dragon.
Oh,
Test
Secret
Tiger.
Secret.
And then,
Dang, Secret Test Tiger. That's sick.
Oh.
Start using Test Tiger again just because.
Hey, here we go. Wanted to try building Jesus.
Because.
I already have it, but I don't want that secret.
Yeah.
I want the other monster
Yeah,
secret.
all the other ones.
And all the other ones. I don't want the test
I
secret.
need those Dragoon.
Cyber Larva.
Oh, well, they're promos. They'll be cheap online.
Yeah, exactly.
There we go.
Oh.
Rares.
Oh, I got it.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Oh wow, Khmertek's secret. That's pro.
Beautiful.
I want that.
Oh, yeah, no. Wait,
Wow,
wait.
that's amazing.
That's what I wanted right there.
I don't care about you,
You
Jane.
wanted the Jane.
Oh, dang, that shit was
nothing.
Marriage.
Oh.
That's like,
I want that.
oh.
I need 3 of those.
Alright, let's see what he's got next.
Lightning Dragon and...
Trade me
Oh,
that.
there
I need
Super
that.
Diamond.
Super Diamond Dude.
Damn, Super Diamond.
Darius.
Alright.
Homer, put that Darius on the set. I need that.
God, can I ever, like, draw my card? I get, like, jump
No,
to
give me
everybody.
all your cards, Homer. You get none of them.
Alright,
You get to keep this.
Oh, we get something good. Here we go.
Last pack.
Magic.
Nugget,
Wow. Very nice.
Nice.
Mad Pro Smooth.
Oh, $70 card.
Like, what's that? Went down to 10 now?
That's like 5, yeah.
So is that all of them?
Well, Abe, get the trade.
Alright, let's see what the promos are. Everyone should already know what the promos are.
Promos, how about you just flip the cardboard in backwards?
Oh,
Ooh,
too
this-
shiny.
Dude, that's a
Oh, it's
plus.
so shiny.
You need the.
That's your pillow for tonight.
Y'all come to the promos?
Yeah.
Every single promo's the same.
That's so cool.
There you go. Alrighty then.
That's a lot of cards.
That was freaking amazing. Alright.
No, that's amazing.
And what does
Yeah, I want to go pull more money out. I'll buy another one. Come on.
And look, good. So, like, who else gets these?
I got 4, and then Dan's got 2, and then John got 4.
Oh my god. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, so Landfill, he bought himself a box off of Paul. Let's see this amazingness. It's like Christmas in October!
This is all I bought it for.
Yeah, I know. Rambo wanted that.
You guys can have the box and everything.
You guys can have everything that comes in that bitch. I just wanted to play for it.
Rambo just needed a new folder to put his cards in.
Annabelle.
You can use a great tornado.
I can use it now.
Oh, damn it. You guys gave him the power.
See.
Electron?
Yeah! That's what you wanted!
That's what I wanted.
Dang, that is pro.
That's expensive, motherfucker.
I just got my money back.
Yeah.
Secret G fishes.
What was the end of
And then there's no second.
God, literally.
Beautiful.
What's that? What? Oh,
Proto Cyber?
Tiger.
Alien and Desire.
So many aliases!
Give it to me.
I want the Illumina.
That alias is.
Oh, wait, we're not done yet.
Oh, that's already a plus.
Oh.
Card Trooper?
I want your card trooper, bro.
Let's see.
3 bows.
Yeah. I got my Darius.
And another haircut.
I know, right?
GBs, so yeah.
What I needed.
Dude, everybody's thinking about alias, and I probably had a mind alias too, so I should have it.
If you could get it for
Ah.
No, I don't.
Or that cunning pro.
Cunning is, that's not bad. Common?
Lift it up more.
Oh, Lucario.
Damn, you're about to pimp out your GP.
That was definitely
Told you, middle right side.
Go again.
Damn, that shit's legit.
God, the deck is just getting so
Watch,
sexy
now we
right
just
now.
need Hippo.
Alright.
I get
Murmelo.
the.
Freaking Hippo is a secret in here.
It's Chimeritek in the Pegasus.
Pegasus. Keep
I want
going.
Chimera
I
Tag.
was supposed to
That's
see
right.
it and just grab it.
So
Like,
that was his spot. Good shit.
I want that loot.
That just made my money back.
Alright, now Paul himself is going to open one.
I need trouble.
alrighty.
Oh, yeah, more pillow fabric.
I know.
Oh, shit.
And you got the trash.
There we go.
Alright, make room for the man.
Let me just put.
Move your folders.
Yo, Electrum is so fucking great.
It's so bad.
Someone just wants to buy.
Remember that deck I told you
Goes on
about
the side,
though,
people
for
you
Electrum,
open
that
it
they
from
just
the
keep
side.
on-
There.
Dude, if you diamond do Polly, bring out Electrum for game. Or Mag Monday.
Alright, see what we got.
Yes, Paul will start from the bottom of the row.
Exactly.
Thunder
See freaking secret super Paul.
And he just
Alright,
got his
well.
money back.
So we'll just go one at a time. Just for you guys.
Oh, real
Super
nice.
slow.
Oh.
Hey, Paul, throw that.
Oh, there's the Thunder King.
I want that instant fusion now.
Ooh,
They
gold
go-
instant fusion.
They go $7. Thunder
We'll
King.
go in a minute.
Thunder King $7. Okay.
Oh,
I would keep it though.
I wouldn't blame him. It's like, shit, it's
Short
trade
break?
bait.
God, literally.
I was hoping Daniel would post him so he'd give me mine back.
With the dandelion secret.
Alright.
Oh, it's too shiny.
Prototype.
Photo.
Sparkman.
Smart man.
That's pro.
The king.
They have the king in there?
Yeah, that's kind
Yeah,
of
the king.
Oh, get this dude, this commander.
This commander, that'd be actually pretty sick.
This
commander
commander
is in here.
This
Yeah.
commander's secret. This commander coming back.
I know, coming back.
Out of the ban list, that'd be so amazing.
Too good, yes. Just in time for D-Draw to be at 2.
Huh.
Krebos. And Phantom Skyblaster.
Blaster.
And a
Hero
heroes.
Ring.
Keep going. Let's see if we got a Thunder King. Oh.
No.
Ooh.
Still, the first one's pretty damn good. I love how they're dueling over there.
Are you guys still doing it, like, as in match-wise?
Epic
Yeah.
games.
Oh my
man.
god!
See the game too, man.
Paul came in and we started buying.
Yeah. Crystal Abundance.
Oh, pro.
Oh,
Ultra
wow.
Cyber, that's so
the,
amazing!
the light one though, you need the
Paper.
dark
Says-
one.
I know, the dark one,
The dark
one is
one's
super.
secret.
Come on,
Secret?
secret.
Oh, okay.
aside.
Still Star
Alright.
Dragon Ultra?
That's still pretty cool.
It's still, like, I bet you that's over at least $10, you know?
Yeah, it's 12.
12? Good.
No, the regular one's like 8. The alt secret battle one's like 12.
Come on.
Gladiator's Return, and then
it's gonna be a magic?
Minus-
Yeah! At least you got your money
Get your
back.
money back.
Off a
Paul,
lot of
trade
money.
me that. I need that.
Oh, what's that? There.
I need one
Alright.
more.
Not too shabby, not too
Good
shabby.
stuff, good stuff.
Trade me that, Paul.
Just that Sparkman was just like, what the fuck?
Random secret.
I know, that was like, huh?